Little girl, are you lost? Are you
No,
lost?
I'm not lost more money.
Your parents ain't know which part of that?
Yes, they know somebody I beg your money, you know, and give
Beg
me
me
money.
money for what?
The money.
Which money? Who money? Me owe your
The
money.
money.
I'm gonna take from you. For owe your money.
And a vegetable bowl salad.
Young lady, are you lost?
I'm a video. A video.
Your,
Come here.
your mother know which part of that?
Come give me money now, Ackeen. You cussing a man. You say mean and tan. Damn mean.
Give me some of my ganja.
I would like to fort.
Oh, this is marijuana, people. Hello, people. I'm not crazy. What I do?
Shoot it, move it.
Nah, shoot. I'm not seeing a gun. Oh, camera. Oh, nah, film.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just tell me ready. You ready? Alright.
Yo, you're so popularly known for night workers.
No bother with the finish.
Action. Alright, ready. Action. Alright, so where are we going to work? You can't go work like that.
Remember, say me have uniform at work.
Oh yeah, uniform at work.
Yeah. Babe, sorry, man.
Alright, later.
Alright. Love you. One straight one, you know. Alright.
So, General, I say hug up a woman church hug with the big bag of space, don't you say?
You know. Boom. Ready. What's water? Look, water. Action. Don't look for now. You want me better? Remember what you did there? Yeah.
What's your neck? It looks like a giraffe.
Okay, everyone. Stop.
You don't love me no more?
We are here with Ackeen, Lawrence.
Want my money.
See you over there, sir. You might claim me and me, I claim him.
People want money from Ackeen. Want my money from Ackeen.
No, Ackeen paid last week.
You not give me no money.
No, I can't do the big movie star and talk like that.
What am I figure your money for?
My money.
Right, tell me what I figure your money for.
Feel like a move when I go in.
Feel like a part, how much I
Let
want?
him want little part. Let him want little part.
How much I want?
Yeah, me how much want.
So tell me how much I want.
Enough.
So put one number on it. How much money do you want, girl?
Yeah, me you're gonna say what me you want to go give me.
You want $1 million?
How much money you want?
All your body worth million, trillion.
No, how much money you want? How much money you
No,
want?
how much money you want?
You're going to want short part of movie.
On a short part.
Want all a movie?
Yeah.
So how much money you want?
More enough money.
Enough
How
money
much? How much? Why worth a work you think you do?
How much? What's the highest you can afford, sir?
What highest me can afford?
The highest you can afford, just pass it on. Highest I can afford right now, just pass it on.
Yo, brother, I one thing you know. In our life, if you want to make woman happy, just make enough money.
Money.
like? Make
Yeah.
money.
Yeah.
Just give them just spend a portion of money.
Me have some money figure, man. Right now, me have 150,000 figure. Don't worry yourself.
When?
See, I want to expose the thing. I want everybody know when you collect your money.
Hey, you pussy?
Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
So over there, so we have Ackeen Lawrence.
Tell her again.
My youth.
Some of them man. Can't have like go on. Action.
You know what? Tax and Brittany turn up this I talk about. So. Me tell tax to go tell him to go straight home, you know. No, sir, this is not safe. I wonder if tax will turn on the building. Listen, this is not safe at all. I hope me not lose that better, you know. Me can't afford to lose this. Me fella me 40 grand. Fella man very loyal. And for me I swear upon top.
Yeah,
I just run go over. Because they're gone.
To Falan. Where Falan there?
Falan there over. When I Falan there. Which part you want to do there?
Okay, don't know.
What I show your name?
Oh, this is the name loyalty test.
Loyalty test.
I want a test, is it?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Loyalty test.
So really and truly, people, may I test the phone camera. So it's a Samsung A whatever. May I test the camera. They are with Tax from Talk Up TV. You know my YouTube channel. About 10,000 subscribers I know. Somebody I just hang with them. Welcome to the new channel if you're your first time over here. So subscribe. Movies are coming, but you know, if you're first video, I test out the phone camera. Probably do a movie with it same way. See how it look, how gonna receive it and all those things. But yeah, there we Talk Up TV. Get some behind the scenes of them. Do them. What's that name?
Loyalty test.
Loyalty test. Huh? Get some more right.
Go to Falan. So,
You ask how much money you want. You don't have enough money.
What me I say? I say just tell me how amount of money you want. I'm just get no.
just give more money.
And my money, you work for your money, no girl. Just put the number on it, no.
Give me 50 grand right now.
No, I tell her said that I
So
next
let's
month
say I
business
got
that.
them.
So I can bend up yourself and I go like
40.
40?
No.
No?
Yeah.
So you feel like you do 40 grand worth of work?
Yeah.
Blood? Cleat. Alright, mama, come on, we'll go over some. I can't get the 40
I
grand.
like,
Don't
I
you?
like here, I like people, I like.
What's that?
Alright, come on.
Alright, come on. Come on.
Okay.
Alright, people, so I know so for safety reasons we can't go really show no all of the things then. But she'll get
give me
she'll get her fast. Right now.
give me.
But we get some more behind the scenes and you have YouTube channel too? Can't tell the people. You have Instagram?
Yeah.
We go over Instagram link up, but you have one man already though, so I'm not bother try to look at. So you have to run me down to blood. What is the matter with you? I run me down on the car, I'm up there. You must mad somebody to blur it. Oh, Jaja.
Seriously? You know, long them Following gone. Can't believe. Look how me I swear upon the boy.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much you love me? 0?
Come and get money.
Money
When me
by
get my money, me tell her the percentage.
money by love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love buy money.
How?
Love buy money.
Okay. So how do you go for your now tax?
Yeah, you know, a whole thing are going on, you know. Today, we are finished up on like a short film, but we have a couple movies I shoot. But you know,
What do you think about YouTube differently for your career? I'm sorry for cut you though, but what do you think about it? That's a more important question. What do you think about YouTube for your career? Like a man does do YouTube for your living.
YouTube for a living,
Yeah.
it's a good,
You think it can work?
you can't worry about you want something alongside it too, but if you do it full 100, you probably have to set away first.
But it can work though, for.
It can work when you reach a level.
Okay,
But
okay.
if you're just about starting, make sure you balance something.
Alright, cool.
If you're young and you have your parents behind you find your food and like bills and something like you don't worry about them. You work for you easy.
But I want you picking it on YouTube, huh?
I'm not busy what I want to do now. God bless him and anything you want.
But you that support him if you want to be on
Anything
YouTube.
you do, once you don't go the wrong way, we okay. You
Okay,
understand?
alright.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man, bless.
I'm going to ask a lady there over there, sir.
Brittany.
Yannick Mortgage.
Hello.
What's that? Has me contact you, so you're gone. Falan.
Ackeen.
You da encourage the youth, you da support the youth if you want the YouTube.
Yeah, you always say one.
Ackeen Larry.
It's
Say-
a multi-billion-dollar industry.
So in done school and everything and he say move a YouTube more, you da support him.
There's a balance that same speed.
Same speed.
Yes.
Alright.
So Ackeen.
Alright, I see now you need my attention. Now you want. Come, answer this question and you get a call. So,
Me not bother want your call.
hold on man. How you stay so? Suppose you,
So me
you,
have to answer question if you get called.
you're not happy, but we want to answer it.
But we have to answer question.
Suppose none of anyone of your kids want to do YouTube as a career path, you don't support them? You don't tell them, say, do something else.
If what they want or need, I'm not gonna stop them.
So you don't support him, you don't say, yo,
Yeah,
go ahead.
support
You don't
it,
support
of
it?
course.
Okay. So you don't like, share, and subscribe, and say, yo, my son at the
Of
YouTube and
course.
that. Okay. Same thing you do, Tax.
100%.
No, look
Okay.
here. You see, when your children them choose a path to go, don't discourage them. Support them.
Oh. Big up yourself.
Thanks.
So yeah, people, it's always fun, you know, hanging around people, interacting, bonding, go on, you learn, but you know, it's fun. Filming, fun. You know, different people come together, different beliefs, I get to know people, all them nice something there. Yeah. So we have come to the end of our first video on this channel. Remember me say, the phone me I use, so the quality look kind of shit, you know where I go. Alright, so yeah, hit that for this one. Big up on yourself. Remember to like and subscribe if it's your first time, you know, subscribe. And grow the thing, some high quality movies are come. Trust me. Oh, with that pretty face girl, I for not.
Go keep back.
Some BTS with the movie them I rock.
Go
Later.
keep back. Back record.